To begin, open File Explorer by pressing Win+E in the address bar of File Explorer, or you can type it in Run, then type the following path, which I will leave it in description, and press Enter. This for the current user, or this path for another user, then current for a specific user. This requires admin rights. Be sure to replace username with your actual profile name. Once inside the folder, find the start.bin or start2.bin file, then copy. Then you can paste it into a location where you'd like to store it as a backup. Afterward, you can close File Explorer if you are done with the backup. To restore your pinned items on a new PC, revisit the same path we mentioned earlier in File Explorer. Then, replace the existing start.bin or start2.bin file by copying your backup file into the folder. If this is for your current account, restart the Start menu process to apply the changes. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.